Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cruz, and today we're going to be talking about lighting. So we're going to be changing from this current setup to hopefully a better setup. So I'm no camera expert or anything like that. I normally make videos about cycling and life in Japan, but today we're talking about lighting. We're going to be working on improving this studio, bike room, office, whatever you want to call it. This is where I do most of the work on my YouTube videos. After I get home from work though, it's pretty dark and the lighting, this is a Japanese apartment, the lighting here is pretty bad. It's not that great. So I just bought this new bad boy. This is a Neewer Ring Light. I don't really know anything about lights, but supposedly this is going to make me look really nice, really beautiful. And yeah, I've just been really busy with work lately, so most of the times I have to film videos is late at night when I get back home after work, and it gets dark pretty early here in Japan, so I'm hoping that this is going to be the solution to my problems. And anyway, if you guys are interested in lighting and checking out to see if this thing works, go ahead and watch through the rest of the video. We're going to do an unboxing, and I got the version with the stand because I might be using this in other parts of the room, and my wife is also working on her YouTube channel recently as well. So if you haven't checked out Tuan Chan's YouTube channel yet, go ahead and check it out. It's all in Vietnamese though, so you might not understand it. I don't understand Vietnamese either. Anyway, let's begin with the unboxing. So first we're gonna pull this out. Oh, we got something here. So this first piece here, I'm guessing this is the stand. And yeah, one of the things I really want to fix in this room is this light right above me right here. It's right in the center of the room, so it's always right on my head, and I'm blonde hair, so it's just really, really bright. Here we go. Nice sturdy looking stand here. And this looks like it goes the opposite way, so I'm not even going to bother reading the instructions, but this seems right. And we've got a lock here. There we go. That's a stand. And we've got some extension pulls here. We'll worry about this later. Anyway, let's put this off to the side for now. Some other things in this box as well. This seems to be the last extender, so you can change the angle of the light. And this looks like another adapter with a hot shoe and regular camera mount. Going back to the box. Ooh. We've got a nice travel case for this. Neewer. I'm not sure if this is Neewer? Neewer? If anyone knows the correct pronunciation, let me know down in the comments. So this would be pretty nice if I need to travel at all with the light. I'm hoping to film some nice new bike review videos at my work, so I might be taking this work a few times to film some nice promo videos for BMC here in Japan. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So we got one cardboard box here. Let's see what we got in here. So quality warranty, instruction manual and stuff like that. We've got our AC adapters. Ooh, it even came with a cell phone mount. I've got a bunch of these now and I never really used them. And these are the clear covers and the orange color, so you can get the different shading that you want. And the last part here is the main light itself. So I think we need to put those covers on here, but maybe I should read the instructions first. So I'm really bad at reading instructions. I'm gonna just double check them real quick before I stick this together to make sure I don't break anything. Here we go, we got this in a bunch of different languages. I bought this in Japan, so we've got the Japanese instructions here, Ringu Raito, but we're gonna go over to English just because that's a little bit easier. So step 1, install the stand. Well, that's what I did already. Step 2, installation of the soft tube. So I think that's this guy. Let's put this on. And let's extend this so you guys can see here in the camera. So, does this just screw on? We gotta take this off a little bit. And that snaps on. Let's tighten that a bit. Oh wow, this part is really sturdy. That's a good thing, I guess. You don't want your light moving too much, but we can bend this to the direction that we want. And this little guy, I don't think we need to put this guy on yet. So next, let's try the ring. So let's unscrew this a little bit so this can get in. Pop this guy in here. And then tighten this guy down. And also tighten this guy down. So definitely want to make sure all these guys are tightened down so this thing is pretty stable. As you can see, I'm shaking it a bit here, but no real movement. So we've also got this little accessory here, and we can slide this in here. And by doing this, I can mount my camera right in the center of the ring. So I'll be right here, like this. Next, we want to get these guys on. I think I'm just going to start with clear for right now. On the few lights I've tried so far, I haven't really liked the orange colors. So we're going to go with the clear look, and these should just pop on. This step took a lot longer than I thought it would, but now it's time for the final test. Does it work? Let's turn on the power. Oh! Oh wow, this thing is super light. And there's this little knob here so you can go pretty low or all the way up. This room is just completely lit up like I've never seen before. Oh man, I'm gonna have way too much fun with this. Alright, next thing, we gotta get this thing in position. Let's see how it compares to the earlier shot. Alright guys, this is it. Time for the test, the official test. Let's turn on the power, let's see how this goes. Oh, and again, I'm not really sure how bright I need this. Unfortunately, the flip screen on my camera is broken right now, so I'll have to check and see how this goes later. Anyway, let's start at a low setting. So this is with the light pretty low right now, and let's gradually pick it up a little bit. Is it getting any better? Maybe too bright? So maybe a little bit too bright right now, but let's see. Going a little bit away from the camera, how does it look? How does the background look? Are things a little bit darker? We should probably test this without the other lights. So let's get this annoying light out of the way. Let's turn this off. And how does it look? I really wish my preview screen was working right now, but let me know what you guys think. How's it look? What's the best setup right now? And let's adjust these light settings a little bit. Let's go down a little bit. And how does this look? So the light setting's pretty low right now. So right now the only light that's going on in this room is the ring light, and it's probably a little bit too creepy right now. I want to have some background lights going on. So let's see how this looks turning on some of these lights again. A background light here. There we go. Is that getting any better? One other thing I forgot to mention, I bought a cover. I forget the official name for this, but this is like a cover for the light, so it makes it a little softer on your face apparently. This was something that was recommended on some other reviews that I watched, so let's put this on real quick and see if this helps. So yeah, this cover was only an extra 10 bucks, and the light itself, the full light, was a little bit over $100. I think it used to be a bit more expensive. It's gone down cheaper on Amazon. That's where I bought it. Again, I'll leave links down below if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these items. Let's pop this on real quick, see if it changes anything.